Welcome to part 2 of a two-part tutorial on how to create surveys with Lime Survey. In the last tutorial we created an account with Lime Service to host our survey and we logged in as a survey administrator. This is part 1 of a two-part tutorial. In this part we will create an account with Lime Service to host your survey and we will log on as a survey administrator. I am logged in and I'm just continuing from the last one. So what I need to do is create a new survey. So I click on this icon and I make a title for my survey and I'm going to call it Health Survey. In the description, I'm just going to call it all about health. You can have a welcome message, it's optional. End message is optional. End URL, let's say where you are directed to after you do your survey. A description for that URL, all optional. Date format, you can change that. Administrator, you can change it to your name if you like. Admin email, that's where you get all your emails going to. Bounce email, you can change that if you like. So I'm just going to click save. It's warning me that I don't have any questions or groups. So I'm going to create a group with this icon and I'm going to call my group demographics. You can put a description and you can save the question group. Okay, so we don't have a question in our question group. Click this icon to add a question and I'm going to give it a code and I'm just going to call it DEM for demographics 1 and in the question I'm going to say, are you male or female? So are you male or female? Help, optional. Question type. It's a very common question, so they've already got one here pre-made. Gender. I'm going to make it mandatory. I want people to answer this question. And click save. Now I'm going to make another question group. So in the title I put smoking. I'm going to save this question group. And I'm going to add a question to this question group. I'm going to call it S1 and I'm going to call it about smoking. Help. I'm not going to put anything in there. I'm going to choose a question type and I'm going to choose yes or no. Actually, I need to change this about this question here. It needs to be, do you smoke cigarettes? Make that mandatory. Click save. So I have 2 questions, I have 2 groups. I'm going to test my survey, see how it looks. Okay, health survey, all about health. There are 2 questions in the survey. Next. Are you male or female? Male, me. Next. Do I smoke cigarettes? No. Submit. That didn't save because that's just testing it. If you want to make your survey live, you'll need to publish it, and if you click the green arrow here, you'll be able to publish your survey. Read this warning, and it's really if you're absolutely sure that you've got the right questions and you're happy with your survey, click activate survey. I'm not going to. So now we've learned how to add questions to our survey and add question groups, and you know how to make it live. You can go ahead and do your own. Thanks for watching.